I just went unnaturally from never running to about 4.8 kilometers a day. And there was a 5 kilometer. तो शुरू से मैंने एक ही जवाब दिया है और वो ये है कि मैं दौड़ती हूँ और क्यों दौड़ती हूँ ये तो शायद समझाना आसान नहीं है, पर इतना ज़रूर है कि मैं दौड़ना बहुत पसंद करती हूँ क्योंकि उसके बहुत से फ़ायदे हैं. I was 16 years old when my father said, "Let's go running," and I asked him why. I wasn't overweight because I believed mistakenly, like everybody else, most of us, that you only exercise to lose weight. So he tried to explain to me the advantages of fitness and endorphins and happy feelings. I didn't understand. I said, I am thin and I'm not going to run. I didn't even want to run, unlike Gaurav. But being born to a Fauji father means they don't really take no for an answer. So every evening, I had to go running with him. But here's the thing. On day one, I had to run 3 miles. He just fixed कि हम लोग 3 mile भागेंगे. There was no analysis of how fit I was. I mean, I was an athletic child. I used to play sport in school. But 3 miles is almost 5 kilometers. It's not a small distance. And I hated every single minute of the first 3-4 weeks because I was struggling. I just went unnaturally from never running to about 4.8 kilometers a day. And there was a 5-kilometer route that my father would make us do, 4.8 kilometer route. And the good thing was he ran with me. So it's not that he would send me and he was some fat man, jaao beta exercise karo. He was always very fit. So he taught by example and that got ingrained in me. Soon I learned the advantages of being a runner. I was always happy because when you run, जब आप दौड़ते हैं तो आपकी body में endorphins release होते हैं. There are these hormones that make you feel very happy. Because your mind is less cluttered, you have greater mental capacity and of course physical capacity. So as a result, my grades actually improved. I was always a good student, but I was able to now get the same amount of work with much lesser effort because it was more focused. And that's how my running journey began. Cut to almost 15 years later, I was still running and I'm still running now. And I think that if there's one simple lesson for fitness that I can give to anybody is to run. A lot of people would ask me कि आप एक fitness DVD क्यों नहीं launch करते? And I felt कि आज की तारीख में अगर कोई एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमेशा आपके पास है, वो आपका मोबाइल फ़ोन है. And अगर कुछ ऐसा हम लोग develop कर सकें, जिसके ज़रिए आप लोगों की सहायता भी कर सकें उनकी फिटनेस जर्नी में और जो उनको इनकन्वीनियंस ना करे. DVD डालिए, आप घर में TV ऑन कीजिए, तो इनकन्वीनियंस थोड़ी सी हो जाती है आजकल की जद्दोजहद वाली ज़िंदगी में. And Gaurav and I have actually known each other for about 4-5 years, 6 years, maybe a bit more, 5, 6. I've lost count. And we came together to create this product because I've always been very passionate about technology. I think technology can make life simpler if used right. Of course, you shouldn't become a slave to technology, but it should be used for your best interest and for your greater convenience. Today, the mobile phone is replacing books, watches, pedometers, and now, of course, a fitness solution as well. Well, I definitely want to do my bit in encouraging more people to get onto the fitness journey. I think it's very important. It makes you live your life to the fullest. Being fit increases your mental capacity, increases your physical capacity. I've always been very passionate about fitness and technology. And for me, First Run, in fact, MobiFit, which actually launched First Run today, is the most natural progression for fitness and technology to come together.
साथ आ रहे हैं सब हर जगह फिटनेस की बात कर रहे हैं. कुछ और भी है क्या पाइपलाइन में? Once you're through with this, when do people start liking it?
I'm not going to be through with this. I mean, I'm part of this company's present and future.
Yes, you are.
In time to come. But I think मेरा ये मानना है कि अगर हम मनुष्य पैदा हुए हैं तो हमें सिर्फ एक चीज़ ना करने की शायद हमें गलती नहीं करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर हम सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ करते हो, अगर हम सिर्फ एक ही इंटरेस्ट से अपने आप को सीमित करें तो फिर हम में और पशुओं में क्या फ़र्क हुआ. Because we're human beings, I think we're all multifaceted. We must explore all our different interests. For me, fitness is an interest, adventure is an interest, cars and bikes are an interest. And wherever I can make my interests contribute to other people's welfare and happiness, I'm happy to do that.
Don't you think, the app is mind-blowing? Do you think there's a need to push it to another level by passing it to the children, especially the school-going children?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think to inculcate a sense of fitness and the importance of fitness at a young age is very important, and we will be coming out with the first run version for children because I think it's very important to ingrain the love for fitness at a young age.
Do you plan to visit some schools also?
In time to come, yes. I think it's too premature to talk about that at this stage.
Well, it's all this app is talking only about run,
We will have a lot of in-app features. The first version that we have focuses on the method, or as Gaurav said, the recipe of how to become a runner. And through the First Run website, we will be giving a lot of support in terms of fitness tips, eating tips alongside. But the app per se is actually a recipe on how to become a runner. मुझे अकेले दौड़ने में बहुत मजा आता है. मैं अकेले ही दौड़ना पसंद करती हूँ.
Okay, what's happening? Your professional front, what's there in the pipeline? In Bollywood, you're through. The last we saw you in Ab Tak Chappan too.
I'm reading scripts. I still haven't found a script that's really truly interesting. And as and when I find one, I will definitely be in it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
doing something where the sports is concerned. Actually, these days actually sports movies are also being encouraged. इस तरह से कुछ प्लान है या ऐसा कोई?
There's something in scripting. I mean, not really sporty, but adventure-ish. So let's see. I mean, in time, I shall talk about that.
You are also writing a book on fitness, right?
Yes. I'm almost done with it, and I have a little bit more of work to go. But I'd always envisioned my book to be supplemented by an app. It's not good enough to say go for a run. How to run is very important. So we will be, through MobiFit, we would be doing series of fitness apps, which would complete the circle for any fitness book out there, and especially mine as well. Thank you.